Welcome to the Info World Galaxy. How many teams are playing in the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar? 32 teams playing in the FIFA World Cup 2022. The Qatar FIFA World Cup 2022 will have 32 teams from 5 confederations compete for the biggest prize in football. The team have been divided into 8 groups of 4 A to H, and only the top 2 teams will advance to the knockout stages. Qatar FIFA World Cup have 8 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, Group E, Group F, Group G and Group H. In the Group A, 4 teams are included. In Group A, Qatar teams, Ecuador team, Senegal and Netherlands team is included in Group A FIFA World Cup 2022.